Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo!
Hello everyone. So, welcome back again to my channel. Ngayong araw po na to mag-unbox tayo. Dragon Ball Z uli naman. Dragon Ball Z naman. Dragon Ball Z Matchmakers Son Goku vs Ub. Kung napasin nyo si Ub, wala na siyang box. Nabili ko kasi siya ng loose condition. Okay na rin to. Nakatipid tayo ng halos kalahati ng price ng nakabox. So, let's go. Okay guys, unahin naman natin si Ub. Ayan. May pangalan ko pa. Okay, buksan na natin. Ayan, may mga konting scratch sa kanyang base. Tingnan natin si Ub. So, ganda pa ng figure niya. Wala namang damage. Base lang ang nagkaroon ng scratch. Ayan, nakita nyo. Oops, ito kanyang markings. Oh, ayos na to. Ang laki ng natipid ko rito. Box lang ang kulang eh. Ayos to ah. Wow. Ayos. Ganda ng details niya oh. Okay, next na natin si Son Goku. Si Son Goku. At yung katulad ng mga dati nating nababox, na i-unbox. Ayan, wala na siyang tape. Na-open na siya before. Nabuksan ko na to. Nakita ko may figure. Wow. Isa detalyado. Ayan, kanyang markings. Ayos ka na lang ng ano. Forma ni Goku dito. At yan na nga. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong episode naglaban silang dalawa sa tournament. Naganap yung laban na ganito sa tournament. Ayan din yung suot nila. Ayos.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I
next
don't
to me.
give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Okay. Ayos po ba ang ating figures ngayon? Sa Dragon Ball po, ito po yung line na isa sa mga line na aking kinokollect, no? Matchmakers. Sa mga susunod na araw, meron pa po ulit akong matchmakers din Ayan. Ay, sana po abangan nyo rin ang aking pag-unbox dito. So sa ngayon, ganito muna po tayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood po sa ating video. Kita-kits next time.